Alright, so I just figured I'd go through this while I've just dealt with the process. So, I had a nice flyout effect that I was trying to program, and the problem was that I couldn't get the fucker to fade in properly. And I thought I was just being really stupid with it, and it turns out it's actually just really incredibly fucking annoying. So, the issue is that within a single Q stack, I can't seem to find any way to fade in your flyout and have it be in sync and have it already be moving instead of a weird transition. So I tried the assert stuff, I tried assert effects, I tried the assert mode, I tried each individually, none of that does anything. I was looking up some other options, so I'm just gonna share what I did, which is now my flyout lives on a separate playback, and if we go into the patch, we have a dummy dimmer that is just patched on Universe 51, and then we go to remote inputs, and then that dummy dimmer is firing Executor 31 on our page so that it can be, so the flyout itself can be running on a separate playback, and then I just control the intensity of, in this case, my Mythos on the main Q stack. Super simple way to get it done.